Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I will show you how to host an instant meeting with Google Meet. So this is a free platform for you to host a meeting for teaching online. Okay, so it is also one of my favorite online platform for teaching. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. So first thing first, in order to use Google Meet, you need to have a Google account. So if you don't have it yet, you need to create one and log into your account. And you can use any web browser. By the way, I'm going to use Google Chrome because it is my favorite. Okay, so first thing, you need to open Google Chrome. Let's open Google Chrome. And the next thing, you want to select an account that you want to host a meeting. I'm going to select this one. This is my Vietnamese account. And the next thing, you want to click this one, Google Apps. Okay, and then you will find a Meet button right here. So just select the Meet button. And the next thing, if you want to create an instant meeting, you can click here, New Meeting. Okay, and now click this button, Start an instant meeting. By doing this, you will start a new meeting where you can ask other people to join the meeting, and you can start a meeting right away. You don't want to schedule or anything. Okay, so just click here. All right, so when you click start a meeting, you will have an option, add other people to join the meeting with you, or you can just click here to copy the links to the meeting. If you click this button, just copy it, and then you can send this link to other people by email or messenger or anything, WhatsApp or anything like that, and they can just click the link and join the meeting with you. Okay, so it is very simple. And let's close this one. And by the way, I'm going to show you some feature in the meeting control here. For example, this is a camera. If you have a camera on your computer or attached to your computer, you can click this button to turn on the camera. By the way, I'm using my screen recorder with my camera, so I can turn on the camera and also the microphone. By the way, you can turn on and off your microphone right here. Okay, and there's more button here at the host control for you to just click here, and then you can control other people. For example, you can let everyone share the screen, send the message, or turn on their microphone or turn on their video. So this is the host control on the right side. And if you want to chat with other participants, you can click here and say something, hello, or something like that. You can chat right here. Okay, for more setting of your meeting, you can click this three dot button, more option. Okay, so there's more option, and click setting, and now you can set up your audio, your video, and also the screen resolution or stuff like that. Okay, and you can even turn on and off the caption also. By the way, I'm going to close it one. And if you want to share the screen, you can click this button to share your screen. All right, so that is how simple you can host an instant meeting with Google Meet. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions about this application, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.